Hi, my name is Anthony Kiran. Welcome to my video resume. For 14 years, I've been an architect in human resources, creating a lasting relationship between organizations and employees. I have mastered myself in enhancing the value proposition in creating a highly engaged workplace and creating a high-performance culture. Ensure employees outpace their competitors by creating an equitable workplace and unleash their potential of having a diverse and inclusive workforce. This is to help them to ensure a deeper trust and have more commitment. I've been a champion in partnering businesses to achieve their commitment in reducing carbon footprint and to have a sustainable environment. Handled 3 greenfield startups and supported businesses in their growth strategies, leveraged due diligences on people policies and created new HR policies and standards for the merged and acquired entity. In my experience gained from India and overseas across industries, I have handled multiple roles across the entire gamut of human resources, employee relations and industrial relations. Currently, I am handling a strategic role in expanding business in India and helping my client organizations to identify their employees' core competencies and invest in upskilling, thus helping them to bridge the gap so their business sustains.
I did my graduation and masters in statistics from Loyola College, Chennai, won 3 gold medals, and then did my management studies at Chennai Business School.
I've grown up the ladder from being a talent acquisition partner, hiring expats, hiring management graduates from premier institutes, conducted mass hiring drives for shop floor mission operators, and headhunted the industry leaders for leadership and CXO positions. I've built a sustainable pipeline of candidates identified internally, developed them into a structured intervention, created a framework for retaining the critical talent, and developed the talent for the challenging roles. I've succeeded in delivering my role as a HR business partner, guiding the organization and helped my peer leaders through consultation to achieve a highly engaged workforce, developed high-performing teams, created an appreciative environment, nourished the young talent, created a lasting experience to cherish, developed the star performers, and leveraged on technology to improve the product. I have personally ensured in delivering a highly engaged workplace, which enhanced customer satisfaction. Thereby, the bottom line for the business has improved substantially.
In my 14 years of experience spanning across automobile, manufacturing and telecom infrastructure industries, gained experiences from India's top companies in its segment, I have learned and achieved many milestones throughout my career. A great man once said, "No one who achieves success does so without acknowledging the help of others." Of many I achieved, to narrate few of my achievements, I have won 3 gold medals in my bachelor's and been a topper in my master's. Won India's Best HR Head Award twice for my noteworthy contribution and innovation in the HR domain. Won prestigious Gold Card Award in Indus Towers from my CEO for my contribution in making a safe, secure and highly engaged workplace and ensured well-being of my employees. I achieved the highest Gallup scores in India as a result of the best reward and recognition framework implemented and achieved creating a highly productive workforce and improved the productivity levels from 83% to 173%.
I passionately believe on the fact-based approach, building on the trust, creating appreciative environment, helping my people to achieve their career goals and empowering them and care their wellness. This will deliver and make employee to believe, belong and become more competitive and compete in the market so to achieve their greater results for all stakeholders.